Hey, isn't it amazing how the birds sit on the electrical wires? Look at them. They're like everywhere on the electrical wire. They must love that. Calling all birds. Calling all birds. Come and sit on the electrical wire with me. And let's have a chat. So what do you think? Why do birds like to sit on electrical wires? Hey, I'd be interested to hear what you have to say. I'm not sure that I know, but I wonder if you know something that I don't know. So drop me a line and tell me, why do you think birds like to sit on electrical lines? There they are. Birds on electrical lines. Why do they do it? Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.